Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 4, Episode 10. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Kapitan Chicken Curry recipe. Lightly fried chicken is simmered in rich coconut milk with fresh herbs and roots. This simple combination will surprise your senses with its wonderful aroma and flavorful taste. You may find that there are many ways to prepare Kapitan Chicken Curry. There is no right or wrong recipe for cooking this classic dish due to individual taste and preferences. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this Kapitan Chicken Curry recipe. If you like this video, please press the like button to give the video a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already and check that you click the notification bell too. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!